In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the VLOOKUP function in a spreadsheet to efficiently find John Reyes's phone number. The VLOOKUP function is a powerful tool that allows us to search for specific data by looking up a value in the first column of a table and then returning a value in the same row from a specified column. This comes in handy when you need to sift through a large database or dataset quickly to extract specific information. Let's dive in and start the process. In front of me, I've got a spreadsheet where I've already entered the name John Reyes. Our goal here is to locate John's phone number using the VLOOKUP function. To maintain neatness, I'll begin by typing out the VLOOKUP formula right next to John Reyes's name. To get started, type an equal sign followed by VLOOKUP and then an open parenthesis. This action serves as the foundation for our formula. Next, click on the cell where John's name is located and follow it up with a comma. It's important to use the comma because it distinctly separates each part of the formula for clarity and accuracy. Now we need to specify the range or table where John's phone number resides. This range is essentially the set of cells in the spreadsheet that houses the data we're dealing with. Be sure to select the entire range of your data, as this tells the VLOOKUP function exactly where to fish for the information. Once you've highlighted the range, insert another comma to proceed to the next part of the formula. Continuing on, you'll need to input the column number that contains John's phone number. In our particular spreadsheet, the phone number lies in the 5th column of our chosen range. Therefore, we'll be entering the digit 5 here. What this does is instruct the VLOOKUP function which column to retrieve the data from. Next up, you'll want to add another comma and then type in false. Including false is critical because it directs the VLOOKUP formula to look for an exact match for John. By default, the formula might return a partial or approximate match, and in this case, that's not what we're aiming for. To wrap things up, close the formula with a closing parenthesis and hit enter. You'll notice that almost instantaneously, the VLOOKUP formula will activate and display John Reyes's phone number right next to his name. Just like that, you've successfully used VLOOKUP to pinpoint a specific piece of information within your spreadsheet. By harnessing this technique, you'll find that managing and analyzing large amounts of data becomes significantly more efficient, allowing you to operate with greater speed and precision. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to unlock even more potential when managing your own databases.